Good evening, everyone. I am very glad to get the opportunity to share my view on a moral based story, day number 7. The, the story is about a life lesson of our society. One day, a professor came into a class and told his student that today I am going to take a surprise test to everyone. So hearing the test, everyone become very surprised because Uh, they didn't prepare about the exam. So the teacher gave all them a question paper, but everyone become surprised by seeing the question paper because there was nothing in the question paper except a black dot. So after watching the after watching the face of the student, the professor told them that mm, you have to explain what whatever you see in the page. So the all the student give their best to explain the dot and the position of the dot. So after some time, the professor took the answer sheet of everyone and start reading it loudly. Everyone tried to explain the position of the black dot, and all the person ignored the vast white page. So after reading all the question paper, the teacher told them that I didn't give you any grade on the basis of the test. I just want to tell you something that everyone try to explain um, the about the dot. This is like our like our life. There are a lot of things in our life which we didn't have. Like somebody doesn't have money, somebody have some health issue, somebody have some family problem, somebody have some toxic relationship. So the teacher tried to explain them that you should focus whatever you have. You have to enjoy whatever you have because what you have maybe is not present on another life. So you have to enjoy the life which you get rather than focusing on what you didn't have. If you have cycle, then you have to be happy with the cycle. Don't complain your father or mother why didn't you have bike, because a lot of you can force your father or mother because a lot of your friends have bike or something you didn't have. So you have to just focus on that. What life give you, you have to enjoy it, rather than um, complaining your family members or your life. If you didn't belong from English medium background, you didn't give the excuse you are not good in English, though you are not from English medium background. You have to focus on your weak area. You can read or learn English, or give him extra time to be well in on this language. Because medium doesn't value. If you want to learn anything, you can learn anything by using your knowledge, or by reading books, by using YouTube, or lots of things. So I just want to tell you that the moral of the story is, don't complain about your life, don't complain about the thing you didn't have. You have to focus what you have. Thank you.
বাহ অমিত, খুব ভালো হয়েছে। তুমি যেভাবে প্রথমে শুরু করেছিলে, মানে যেদিন প্রথম তুমি এখানে পড়া বলেছিলে, তুমি নিজেও জানো যে কত নার্ভাস হয়ে গেছিলে বা সেভাবে হয় নাই।
হ্যাঁ।
আজকে সেই অমিতের মধ্যে অনেক ডিফারেন্স আছে। আমি এটাই তোমাদেরকে বলতে চাইছি, এই ডেডিকেশনটাই রাখতে হবে। এ থেকে বোঝা যাচ্ছে যে অমিত ম্যাটেরিয়াল গুলো কমপ্লিট করছে, লিসনিং গুলো, রিডিং গুলো, এবং ঠিকঠাক করে ক্লাসও জয়েন করে। তো তোমরা ইমপ্রুভমেন্ট বুঝতে পারছো, এবং তোমরা বোঝার থেকেও অমিত নিজে তুমি ফিল করতে পারছো, তাই না? তো
হ্যাঁ।
এই জিনিসটাকে যদি আরো ব্রাশ আপ করো, আরো ভালো জায়গায় যাবে। বুঝতে পারছো? কালকে যে কোনো টপিকের উপর বলবে, তারপরে তোমার উইদাউট প্রিপারেশন বলতে পারবে, পারবে, কিন্তু তার জন্য সেই জায়গাটাকে আগে তৈরি করতে হবে এইভাবে প্র্যাকটিস করে করে। আর এটা তখনই সম্ভব যারা এইভাবে প্র্যাকটিস করছে, বাড়িতে হোক, প্র্যাকটিস সেশন হোক, যেখানে হোক, এটা করতে হবে। খুব ভালো হয়েছে ভাই, খুব ভালো হয়েছে।